going on, y'all? Welcome back to KD's Empire. And as you guys can see, we are in a new location, man. Happy to be outside. Anywho, today's video, we have a landlord that breaks into his tenant's apartment. Let's get into the video.
It's been 7 months. 7 months. 7 months.
Excuse me, why you
7 months. Ma'am.
Girl, let me call you back.
First and foremost.
Why you just open my door like that?
First and foremost, I want to let you know you ain't paid your rent in 7 months. The neighbors downstairs are complaining.
Breaking into people's houses for rent? I just gave you $200 last week, sir.
You gave me
$200.
You gave me $200.
Yeah, and before that, I gave you.
Oh, she gave me $200.
50 like 2-3 weeks ago.
Ma'am, you're $7,000 in debt. Do you understand that? Do you understand that you're $7,000 in debt? You're not supposed to have dogs. You're not supposed to have pets.
So that gives you a right to just come up in my house? What if I was in here doing whatever I'm doing? You can't just be popping up in people's house like that.
At the end of the day, ma'am, I'm the landlord and I have every right to.
I don't care who you are. You can be Jesus, but you're not supposed to just be walking up in my crib like this.
At the end of the day, ma'am, I'm going to repeat myself. At the end of the day, I'm the landlord and I do have the.
$200? What about the $500? What about, hold on, let me get my receipts because I have my receipts.
Let you get your receipts. Let her get the receipts. Let you get your receipts? I should show you my receipts. $5,500, $6,500, $3,500 light bill.
$500 on June 28th. I gave you $1,200.
On June 28th, no.
$550 and 2 weeks ago I gave you $200.
Ma'am, on June 28th, that was the day, the day before you got paid, correct? Correct? Mm-hmm. The day before you got paid, you said you was gonna give me $1,000 and then you was gonna give me another $200.
That's
you never.
Why I gave you the $500 because I did not have the other $1,000 to put on that. So I gave you half of it, which was $500. But that doesn't give you the right to just come up in my house like stuff. You can't just be doing that. And you walking around.
Let me explain something to you. You got dogs in here. You have.
This is not my dog. I'm watching the dog for a family member. That's why the dog is here.
Look, trash bags in here, not taking the garbage out, not cleaning the house. At the end of the day, the neighbors are complaining.
No, what you need to do is have the maintenance people do their job and come pick up the garbage. Every time I sit my garbage outside, nobody comes and pick it up. The neighbors are coming knocking at my door, saying I'm dropping my garbage because your people that's running this property is not cleaning it up.
Okay, ma'am. At the end of the day,
and what about the mold on my ceiling? Since you want to record me, put it on the ceiling.
Oh, she's talking about the mold on her ceiling. Oh, the mold on her ceiling.
What about that? Oh, let's talk about some more.
Oh, the mold on her ceiling. Jesus Christ, haven't paid her rent in 7 months.
Like this.
Your balcony look like this?
Look at the ceiling. Look at the ceiling.
Wow.
Not done.
Wow.
Yes, do I need to point out some other things for you? Yes, because there's a bunch of stuff in here that you're supposed to get fixed.
You got a whole lot of complaints for somebody who's never paying any kind of rent. You should.
My dishwasher does not work, sir.
Ma'am, you should have the money to buy a brand new dishwasher.
I'm paying $1,700 a month for me not to have a new dishwasher.
You should have the money to buy a new dishwasher, ma'am. You haven't paid your rent in 7 months.
What about the roaches?
The roaches are coming from you, not cleaning yourself, cleaning behind yourself.
People that's not doing their job. That's where the roaches are coming from.
The roaches are coming from the maintenance people that's not doing their job. But look how she got it in here. Look, she got animals in here. That's definitely not supposed to be in here. That's definitely not supposed to be in here.
I'm watching the dog for someone else.
Definitely not supposed to be. That's a definite big no-no. Kids.
I'm so sorry, son.
Wow.
This man is rude.
Wow. I'm rude. I would say you're rude. I would say you're rude. You haven't been paying your rent. That's rude. That's rude enough for me, you, and everybody else.
Fix the stuff in it, and maybe I'll put a little bit more.
Yeah, ma'am. We already told the sheriff we're gonna have to. Okay. The sheriff will be in.
I don't care who's gonna.
The sheriff will be in.
Who?
We already went and filed the everything we need to do.
I want to see it. I want to see it.
Okay.
Make them.
You'll be going today. You'll be going today.
Yeah, and I got all my receipts.
You'll be going today.
You did not fix.
You'll be going today.
Stuff up in here is broken. You did not fix.
You'll be going today.
So yeah, record all you want.
You'll be going today.
Man, listen. That was a lot to freaking unpack, man. Just after looking at something like that, I'm gonna be honest with y'all. he had, I don't think, I may be wrong, but I don't think he has any right to come in there and just, you know, bum rush her like that, start recording, doing everything that he done. I don't think that he honestly has a right to do that. Now, understand this, just because your landlord has not fixed anything, the maintenance man has not fixed anything, does not mean that you should stop paying rent. Under no circumstances should you ever stop paying rent when you're living up under somebody else's ish. All right? I don't know why in the world people think that just because their landlord is not doing what they're supposed to do, that you can automatically stop doing what you're supposed to do, and you can take them to court and you're going to win. You're still going to have to pay that doggone money in most cases. All right? Young ladies, gentlemen, everybody, man, make sure y'all clean y'all house. Did y'all see how that room was looking when they went back and they were showing, you know, where her son was staying? That place looks filthy, man. You wonder why you got bugs and you can't get rid of the bugs? It ain't got nothing to do with the maintenance man. It got everything to do with that clutter. You got to get rid of that stuff, man. But honestly, I want to hear from y'all, man. What do y'all think about this? How would you feel if your landlord just waltzed in your doggone house because you were late on your rent? I want to hear from y'all, man. Y'all let me know what y'all think, all right? Y'all be blessed. Y'all be beautiful. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.
Blueberry, Burberry, button-up. Tan skin, mixed race, buttercup. Canada weather, got a bundle up. I'm tryna work, she hit my phone, she wanna, whoa.